Ngwo, Obuozoagu, Enugu, Ngwo. Yeah, the groom is about to enter with his entourage. You can see everywhere is very busy. It's indeed a lovely moment here. As you can see, the groom is all handsome, all bright. Please say hi to the camera.
Hi.
This is Agadi Rama TV,
Hello.
okay? Yes, so
I'm so
how do
excited
you
today.
feel? How do you feel today?
Because I'm in the north. I'm getting married, you know. I tried up for everything.
Who is your bride? Who is your bride?
Let's go on, your mama.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Well done, well done, well done. May God bless your marriage. Good evening, guys. Sorry, I mute the sound for a reason, okay? Not like it's a mistake, but I don't want YouTube to mark me copyright for any reason. Please let the people understand this. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Yeah, that was a bride entrance to welcome her groom during the ceremony of their traditional marriage. So it was actually an interesting one. Miracle was joyfully dancing, coming out with her band of Ashebi girls, you know, expressing their joy and happiness, coming to meet the groom with his own entourage. Keep watching. Thank you very much. You can see the joy, you can see how they are expressing their feelings towards each other at the first meeting, right at the venue of the traditional marriage. The groom being welcomed by the bride, the groom spraying lots and lots of cash on on his bride. It's a sign of love. It's a showing her steps. You can imagine Miracle by can you see the joy? Oh, the bride is actually taking off the floor because you know what? It's her day. It's her day. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. In recent times, I've not seen a happy bride like this one. Oh my god. I'm so amazed. Watching this and filming it, actually, it was interesting. Trust me, it was interesting. Please, guys, keep watching. Thank you very much.
The Christmas in the house. Oguna and people. The Christ is in the house. The Christmas soul in the house. Yeah, definitely. The founder Sisi Bola said no. Mali di Enugu, Ikenna go di isi ya. Wano kata si no madana, wana go di isi ya. Asi bete mugati ya, apa na ne ko galalo. Oh yeah. Bofia fulago, akata kammo. Bofia fulago ni adi. Odo yes. Maybe that is side. Today now your day. Yes. I don't want to do baby more people eating. What a shout. Want to give you the I want to give you my love. So you say I'm serious, baby. You see a story in the morning. Correct, ma. Who has a story here? Yes, sir. What a shout. Confidence, what you put there, boss you. My mother will say the house. Oh! Lucky, Umachukwu kere mbosi ụka. Anyanwụ Lucky, ekele pụrụ iche. Lucky. Lucky, thank you. Lucky, thank you. Lucky man, thank you. Lucky, thank you. Because I may have to handle no lucky. It's a gala, please.
I can bless you. Mommy, what are you doing?
There's a Bianca. You could have a Bianca. And the Murabella and Dumana. I know you desert. You are going to Rubu. My young in a Doranka. I should know when you get your pata. When you get your pata, I need a lobo. By Tony Kuwa, near Maya. A man not angry, and I am a man that you want. You can not be a parent, and Tiana, who want a photo. When I can't know when you bought the very. Now you are not little Kalima, and you can know. If I know your papa,
me straight to the beginning. I don't know. Only give for like how many years? Straight. Hey,
It's okay.
The moment everyone has been anticipating. The moment the bride will find her groom. What a joy. What a joyous moment. Alright guys, keep watching as we go to unveil the rest of the program. Thank you very much. Alright guys, remember this is an Igbo bride, okay? A typical Igbo traditional marriage. Remember that. This bride is from Ngwo. Ngwo is located in Enugu state. So this is actually how it's done in Ngwo. Ịgbankwụ, this is how Ịgbankwụ is done in Ngwo. Once the bride finds her groom, they both step out in colors. They go to meet the bride's father, or rather the representative from the bride's family. Okay, but it has to be an elder because it's time to receive blessings and prayers coming from the bride's father or the representative. All right, let's go to see what's actually going to happen right now. Thank you guys as you stay with me on this channel. Please don't go away. Remember, it's your girl Ada Jeremiah TV on YouTube. Please guys, take this chance to click on the subscribe button if you've not done so. I plead with you. Also remember to turn on your bell button as you click on the subscribe button. Also help me share the videos you like on this channel. Click on the like button. Help recommend me to other people. Thank you very much.
thank you. There you go.
Amen. 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 Hey. Amen.
Mama, excuse me.
Unofficial work.
Thank you. Straight to the cake. Straight to the cake. I want to say about it. Thank you. Straight to the cake.
Alright guys, according to the MC, it's time for cutting of cake by the bride and the groom. Well, the Igbo traditional marriage is now taking a new shape with cutting of cakes, introduction of cutting of cakes. It's no longer just in white weddings that these things are being observed. They are now brought into our culture. They're now brought into our traditional marriages. Well, what do you have to say about this? For me, it's all about individual's choice. Yeah, but it spices up the whole thing anyways. Thank you guys for staying with me. Please keep on watching till we get to the end of this event. Trust me, you won't regret watching this. Filming it alone was so interesting, and I must tell you, I enjoyed the rest of the day.
Please wait. Latazo. Just allow the money. Latazo. Please, we are cutting this cake. And it's spelling on the name Jesus, our teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, J. Mommy, Chalo, you enter the camera, Chalo. J. E. S. U. And S. Jesus. Thank you very much. Let's just a minute. What